What's up? It's been a long time, yeah? It's been a long time. The last video that I uploaded was the Kabini vlog. What is this? Okay. Let me put this down there. I don't want that. Yeah, so this is Trivandrum. I left Bangalore. So this is where I'm gonna be shooting all my future videos. Let me open the gate first and then let's head out. So currently we cannot bring the car inside, so we'll have to cut this wall. That's gonna happen in 2 days. So firstly I want to say 3 things, okay? First thing is it's too hot, and the second thing is it's extremely hot, and the third thing is it's way too hot, trust me. So jokes about coming to real updates. A lot of people ask me how did I bring my bike to Trivandrum. You guys might have seen my Instagram stories that I drove our car to Trivandrum. I had to drive the car, hence I couldn't ride the bike. So I transported it via truck. It's one of our trucks, so it's not any specific logistics or anything like that. So that's that, and the bike reached safely without any kind of damages at all. Well, there is one damage. It's kind of a small scratch, but that's fine, you know. Adventure bikes are bound to have scratches, so I don't worry about that. Hi Anuvandi. So I have plans to hit the road again for a long ride. I haven't decided the place yet. I have Chikmagalur and Madikeri in my mind, but I'm not sure if this is the perfect season or the perfect time of the year to go to Madikeri, because according to my knowledge, monsoon is the best time to visit Chikmagalur. It's gonna be absolutely beautiful in there. So I just want a small help from you guys. Suggest me a good place to ride to in South India during, you know, summer season, that is this month. I have 2 places in my mind actually. Either Chikmagalur, Madikeri, and visit, you know, most of the North Karnataka, or go towards Kodaikanal and Ooty. No, Ooty and then Kodaikanal. From Trivandrum, which comes first, Ooty or Kodaikanal? I'm not sure. I'm sure it's Ooty. Yeah, Ooty and then Kodaikanal. No, I don't think so. Okay, never mind. Yeah, so please suggest me some good places. So comment down below your suggestions, and if it gets a ton of likes, then I'll for sure go to that place, but make sure it's in South India. Please. Please don't type in Leh Ladakh. I have plans for Leh Ladakh later this year, most probably. Let's see. But anyways, I'm surely gonna go on a long ride for sure. I don't care about the heat and stuff like that. I'm gonna full send it, you know. I hope I've covered all the updates that I wanted to say in this video, but I'm also sure that I've forgotten something. And once I go back to my home, remove my helmet, keep it on the table, it flashes in my mind. Yeah. Okay, so I'm heading back to my home right now, but before that I'll have to buy 3 things. That is WD-40, chain lube, and my cat's food. ഇത് 2 എണ്ണം കൂടെ അല്ല, ഇത് ജെല്ലി ട്യൂണ ഒന്നേ ഉള്ളോ? ഓക്കെ, 1 മതി. എത്രയാണ്? 35. ഹായ് ഹായ് ബോ. എന്താണ്? ശാസ്ത്രം പറ. ഓക്കെ, കമാൺ. ഓക്കെ. എനിക്കിത് ചെയിൻ ലൂബും WD-40 വാങ്ങിക്കണം. ഇന്നിപ്പോൾ കടയില്ല. സീൻ. ഓക്കെ. ഈശ്വര കറുത്ത്. So if you're wondering who this is my subscriber, and there's an interesting story behind it. So he saw one of my initial videos. He messaged me on Instagram, and then we became friends. We used to talk almost every single day, you know, about bikes and stuff. And after knowing him for about 2 months, one day I was with my cousin brother and cousin sister. He messaged me, and he's from a same locality, you know, where we live. So I showed his photo to my brother and sister, and there you go, they know him. And the interesting part is his wife is my cousin sister's best friend since childhood. I was like, damn, mind equal to blown. So I didn't tell where we are going, right? I had no plans of this, but then we are going to Shastampara. It's like a hilltop view in here, a sunset point, if I'm not wrong. Whoa, this is a cool little spot. Okay, he's taking me somewhere. Yo. Okay. വണ്ടി കുഴപ്പമില്ലല്ലോ, വണ്ടി കുഴപ്പമില്ലല്ലോ. ടാങ്ക് ബാഗ് എടുക്കാതെ ഞാൻ വരൂ. ഇതാണല്ലേ കുറച്ച്. God, a lot of small stones, high possibility of me falling. This is a good spot actually. I like this. Okay, I think it's about to rain. I better head back home soon. That was a good little spot, Shastampara, a sunset and sunrise point basically. It was nice, I liked it. I've never been there before. Yeah, I never thought I would go there today. I thought I would just go, shoot the video and go back home. But it turned out to be a good day. Yeah. I guess I'm gonna end the video right here. I'll be back with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching. You guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.